Hello everyone, our today's topic is subject and predicate. Subject and predicate are the parts of a sentence. So first we must know about what is sentence. Sentence is a group of words or meaningful words which makes a complete sense. For example, Ram is reading a book. Here is another example. He goes to school daily. All the above sentences makes or gives a complete sense. So let's come back to our topic, subject and predicate. In every sentence we talked about a person, place or thing that called subject, and then we said something about that person, place or thing that called predicate. Here is an example. Ram is reading a book. Here Ram is our subject and is reading a book is our predicate. Here Ram is the name of a person. What he is doing? He is reading a book. Here is an information about our subject, Ram. Here is another example. He goes to the school daily. Here, he is our subject and goes to the school daily is our predicate. Now, predicate may have two parts, a verb and an object. Second noun or pronoun in the sentence is called an object. Here, school is our object. Only noun or pronoun can be object. Subject is connected with the object through the verb. Here goes is our verb and he connects subject and object. It receives the action of the subject. Action is going, goes. Verb and object complete the information about the subject. Here is an information about subject that he goes to the school daily. Verb and object completes the information about the subject. Normally, a subject comes before the predicate, but in some cases, such as proverb, it may comes at the end of the sentence. For example, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Subject may be missing in imperative sentences like stand up, open the door. These are the commands. Now move to our exercise. Our first exercise is separate the subject from the predicate in the following sentences. Our first sentence is the boy stood on the bank of a river. Here the boy is our subject and stood on the bank of a river is our predicate. This is the exercise for you. Just try to find them out. The princess is our subject and has a kind heart is our predicate. Like the other two sentences, he is our subject and is writing a letter is our predicate. We already read that our verb connect the subject and the object. Okay, writing. Next, move to our next exercise. Identify the object in the following. Also mention when there is no object. You have to identify the subject in these sentences and also you have to tell if there is no object. Our first example is someone has stolen my watch. Here my watch is our object.